Morning YouTube, it's another day here in paradise. Today we're going to be, what are we doing today? Just gonna do a little shop day here. Yeah, we'll get to check out the new garage today and get a feel for how this is all gonna work out. So let's end the year strong, yeah? All right, let's get into it. All right, cool, so we're hooked up on the selfie stick. You guys don't remember back when like selfies were huge. Dang, cool. All right, so we're on the selfie stick now. Let's go check out the garage, get the shop set up. So let's get it. All right, let's do it. A beautiful, beautiful land. And that's the shop right there. Yeah, buddy. It's Mr. Clubby Dog. Clubby Dog. All right. What's up with this dude? Still got some snow on the ground. Yes, sir. Got both the project cards in there. Let's go take a look. If you couldn't tell, the scenery looks a little bit different. It's a little bit cold. And we're up in the mountains. We're going to be introducing or reintroducing Greg's Garage. We're going to be working on cars, bikes, motorcycles, and whatever else trouble we can get ourselves into. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the garage. Let's check out the shop and let's get to it. So we're gonna clean up shop, get it running, and yeah, we'll see. See, garage is a little bit of a mess, so maybe we'll tackle that today before we get working on the car. Yeah, I don't know, it's messy. There's genuinely something so sick, so sweet, so peaceful about just having a little bit of land, having a little shop to do all your little things on. And it's just quiet, man. Quiet up here in the mountains. This is the dream. So, pretty excited that we got this going on for me. guys, that took a little while, but I'm ready to show you guys what we got done in the shop. Let's take one final look. We got the race car in the back. We got the fluid set up, but dang, this is way different than what we had before. We even got the bike shop area cleaned up. We got this bug. I don't know what we're gonna do with the bug yet. Race car. But yeah, look at that. Look at all this space. Man, I'm excited. Man, look at this thing, looks good in the back. Shop's all cleaned up. I'm pretty stoked with that. And yeah. So next up, we work on the DSM, get you guys some DSM content, and we're just gonna have a really good year. I can feel it. We're gonna have some success in the garage. Hope to bring some awesome content for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning the shop with me, cause yeah, that's way different. And anyways guys, if you liked it, thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and we'll check you guys next time. Later.